Okay, welcome back. Another video. This is something different. This is just my daily exercise. As you can see, I'm like well built, And for those of y'all that want to like start with like just light exercises, just to be well built, like I can run if I want to, you know. I can pick up heavy stuff if I want to. I can take off my t-shirt if I want to, you know. Just yeah, I'm comfortable in my body. If you want to get in shape, this is what I usually do. First off, very important. People tend to forget this. Don't just start with like doing push-ups or anything. Stretch, very important. So let's do some light stretches. Depending on what you're gonna do, maybe it's you're gonna do like leg day. You want to focus on your legs. You're gonna focus more on like leg exercises. But me, I'm gonna do like a full body. You know, home workout. This is a home workout, by the way. You can do it anywhere, any place. You don't need a lot of space. Like this, yeah, it's quite like spaces here, but like as you will see as I go along, you will see like there isn't like exercises that you're gonna need like a big space. So like, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna start from top to bottom. Okay. Firstly, with my neck, very important. Your neck, just like go around. With your neck, ah, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So that you don't get those stiff necks. Those stiff necks like that chopsticks, that chopsticks. You know. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna keep it. This is my right side, by the way. It's probably your left. We're just gonna pull it there a little bit, just so slightly, just so here along this part of your neck. Then to the other side, to my left, your right. Okay. Then backwards, forward. Now, okay, we're gonna focus on the shoulders. Okay, do this position there. Okay, just hold your hands. Anyways, just gonna wiggle those shoulders forward. You know, just a little while. Probably like 10, 20 seconds. You can do this. Then backwards. You know, get the shoulders. You know, those muscles. Get those muscles like ready to stretch and like warm up. You know. Then for your arms, gonna do this. Round your back. See, gonna put your hand here. Then if you want to, you can like grab your other hand, but I can't. I can't. Ever since I was small, I couldn't. But what I do is you can also do the second pace with your other hand. You put it here on the top, by your elbow. Just pull it to the back. You keep your hand here. Just pull it there. You will feel it burning here. If you don't feel it burning here, pull a little bit more, but not too much. You know, you can put your other hand here if you feel like this hand is comfortable. Yeah. You do this, just those muscles, you pull the muscles just to relax them. Now you take the other hand, put it there. You see where it's now, and then look where it is after I pulled it. You see, I'm targeting this part here, my shoulders, see, and also my arms. See, very important. Is the You're just gonna stretch your arms, and your shoulders. Gonna feel you stretch. You do this up until it's like nice and relaxed. Just your arms. Then for your waist, you see your midsection. So you can just do this. It also works in your back. Very important. Your back. If your back is feeling like stuff, I'm gonna give you a nice exercise now. Keep your hands like this here by your midsection. See, here's my belly button. See, just around there, on top of it. You know, just do this. With your legs like straight. Anyways, now if your back is feeling like very stiff, you can do this. You go on all four legs, and go on your knees, in your hand, your hands like flat. Let me give you another angle. Let me move back. Yeah, your hands like flat. You see. Then you can do. This is the Cowan cat pose, I think. Yeah, but anyways, your chin touch here by your chest. See. Meanwhile, you're raising your back. Then you do the opposite. You lift up your chin. You let your ass come out. You lift up. This works for your back. I know it's kind of sassy, but okay, it works for your back. Your back is feeling like stiff. You can do this for like so 10, 20 times, just to get your back like nice and stretched out. Very important. Then for the legs, simple, simple. This helps you train your balance also. See, like properly, it must touch your bums. See your heel. Can do this as long as you want. Kick those legs afterwards. Pull, kick after a long time. You know, and then open also for those inner thighs. See. Then next one. Kick, open. You can do this as long as you want and hold it as long as you want. Kick, kick those legs. See. If your midsection is still feeling tight, I recommend doing this. Put your hands down, forward, for your sides. Then for your heels, very important, outside. You will feel it like cracking inside. You can do this once again as long as you want. Outside, inside. Kick them, kick your arms, stretch your legs, basically your whole body, you know. You know, the feeling if you are fresh, you see. If you feel a part is like stiff, maybe I'm kicking and I feel like out. I'm getting a hamstring. Then I know I need to stretch my leg even more. You see. Then I know I need to stretch it even more. You see? If I'm doing this and I feel like my arm, then I know I need to stretch it more. You see. If I'm doing this and I feel like my arm, my neck is feeling like stiff, then I know I need to stretch it more. So yeah. After you finish, you just go roughly, you know, what you've done. You know, there you're ready to go. See, very important. And then when you finish, you can do an intense workout. Trust me, your body is gonna thank you.